Yep.
Washing my hands.
So, anybody who's wondering what's going on, today is Meatless Mondays, which is more like Pizza Mondays lately, making the homemade pizza. Tonight my plan is doing one pizza with vegetables or something on it, and the other one I'm going to put salami on, some Genoa salami. So the first rule is always to
take out the stuffing from the bread.
The stuffing from the bread?
Same thing.
Is it? You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever he said, the stuffing from the bread. So that way we get rid of a lot of this center dough.
Oh, one of your friends is live.
Who's one of my friends?
I don't know, it just says one of your friends is live.
Jake Jolly, what's up, bro? I hear it's not until next week, Pier 48. I look forward to it. I'll be down doing Samsung starting tomorrow at the Palace of Fine Arts. You will be missed. Dude, they were eating. Put them back out.
No, they're done.
Oh my god. This boy. So, you gotta get all the excess spreading out of the bread and the crust in order to make this right. It's actually, I mean, this is probably the best part of the bread, really, when it comes down to it, and I actually love this stuff. But we will compost it.
And eat it.
And eat it, because that's what he does, because that's the only kind of help he is. He eats stuff and talks.
Okay, we got
as we all know. Oh, okay, so
pizza.
I'm in the refrigerator. I'm getting the Genoa salami.
I got the pizza sauce.
I'm also getting... What?
I got the pizza sauce.
One more time?
I got the pizza sauce.
You got the pizza sauce.
In case anyone are wondering what type of sauce we use this
Sonoma
Gourmet Organic. Organic, you hear that, people? Organic pizza sauce.
It's actually really good. I've tried a few different pizza sauces, you know. A lot of them come out tasting like ragu spaghetti sauce. Can you pick up the paper on the ground, please, Chrissy? And I really swear by it. I also like the chive green onions from Safeway, already cut. And I got myself some jalapenos to put in a little corner because I'm the only one to eat the jalapenos. Everybody else gets, oh my god, so hot. But, you know, you got to spice things up, I believe. And I also got some pretty good tomatoes here.
The pizza sauce is open.
The pizza sauce is open.
Oh, but you just let inside.
What did I just say about the dogs? Well, they just ate. They're all ready to come back
he's
in.
drinking water. He's not eating. He's drinking.
Yeah, well, I know these animals well enough to know that they weren't ready to come back in.
That's not true.
Yeah.
If they didn't come back in, they wouldn't have come back in.
Oh my god. Talk to rocket science, somebody. Let the rocket science know. Jake Jolly. What's up, bro? And anybody else here that I know? Or anybody else I don't know? I just want to say thank you for being here. Tanya Spears, is that really you? Oh my god.
Who's that?
Her son went to high school with Jesse. Her son was our star quarterback and our star basketball player at Sacred Heart Cathedral. Let's go! Let's go Irish! We won a state championship. Remember?
Yeah.
Alright, so there we go. Getting the pizza stuff together. Go ahead and pour some of that into one and pour some into the other. Make sure it's equally balanced. God, good luck. Here's a fork. He's already poured all of it into one side. Do you know what the word equally balanced means?
That's 2 words.
Do you know what the word equally balanced means?
That's 2 words.
Okay. I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you know what the word equally balanced means?
Yeah,
Yes or no?
Yeah,
It's a yes or no. Come on. People over here want to know if you know what that means.
Yeah, but it's 2
They
words.
all heard me say it to you.
Yeah, but it's 2 words.
Make sure you equally spread it
still
out
2
among
words.
2 pieces of bread. But yet you pour it all into one. Bruh. Why? Who? This is when I question if you're actually a Murphy or not. Just so you know. So we gotta take some from here, put it there. Take some here. It's not really gonna be enough. I mean, when I'm getting crazy and I decide to put one whole bottle per piece of bread, it tastes amazing because it's really good sauce. You know, but can you close the door, please? Try not to eat outdoors. You know, this boy just doesn't freaking get it. Will someone talk to him, please? Please talk to your boy. I invite you to talk to your boy because he just doesn't get it.
But you're not inviting anyone.
I'm not inviting anybody, but they can leave a message going, "You're retarded." I see it. I understand what your father is talking about. I see his struggles. Because look, this is going to suck, bro. Look how it's going to suck. Because somebody couldn't follow directions. Oh my God. It's like if I told him to make a left turn, he'd go right. I told him to make a right turn, he'd go left. I told him to make another left, he'd go straight into a wall.
You told Catalina was 2 plus 2. She's saying 1.
Oh my God. She has nothing to do with this conversation. This is about you and not following directions. But yet you need to make yourself feel better and talk about your little sister. That's good, Cruz. We're going to get really far in life. You know that? Look at this crap. I'm trying. I think I'm salvaging. It's going to work, people. Well, oh my God! What happened? Violation warning.
Hate speech.
What was the hate? What did I hate on? What was the exact words?
I think it was because you said R-E-T-R.
I said respect.
No, the other word.
I said that you are challenged.
No.
Yes, I did.
Retard.
Oh, well, there you go. More hate speech. Way to go, bro.
Hating on the bread.
Hating on the bread. Is that someone like that?
Jake Jolly said that.
Well, you know, bro, I'm trying not. Thanks for the hearts. I appreciate that. Ooh, what is that?
Someone did heart me.
What does that mean? When you want to get off like that on your head?
It just says like, it just tells people to send hearts.
Oh, yeah, send hearts. Please, more hearts. Look, we got a little bit more sauce here that we're going to salvage from what Cruz's little mess he made. Well, it wasn't really a mess. More like what he didn't do correctly. And I think we're in a pretty good place there. All right, so we'll leave that there. Next is Catalina waking up from a sleep or something. I don't know what the heck's going on with that girl.
We put the cheese on.
We're going to put the cheese on. You want to try to put the cheese on, or are you going to mess this up?
Both.
Both. Very good. At least he's honest. I appreciate the hearts. I appreciate the likes. I love you. I love you all. All right. This boy. Here, we're going to work from here. Does that work? Yeah, it works. Okay, put them on this one now. We have more cheese, but I would like to spread it out equally amongst 2 pieces of bread. Yeah, spread it out equally. There you go. Very good. So unequal. You're doing much better, Cruzy. Hold on. Stop. We're not throwing down any more cheese yet. So I would like to take some of these chive onions and spread them about, because I think they rock when we spread them about. There's no cheese on this one, but hey, you know, it's a thought that counts. And it goes my dog, letting us know that there's danger, Will Robinson. Danger. Okay, so we're going to come back over here for a moment.
I want to cut it.
Oh my God, Cruz wants to cut. Let us all pray. Go ahead, Cruz. We're praying for you, bro. Ah! Nicely done. Ooh. I just want you to promise you're going to keep your thumb and not have to have me have to take it to the hospital and have it sewed back on or anything crazy. All right, all right, all right. Look at this guy go. Look at him go. Oh my God, my rocket scientist is proving NASA's theory of, I don't know, something. He's proving something. Don't know what it is, but he's proving something.
That a few garden classes paid off.
What?
A few garden classes in school paid off.
Is this from garden class in school? Please explain to the world about garden class in school. We'd love to know about this.
We sometimes do cooking, but cold food. We don't heat it up.
What do you guys cook?
Last year we did pesto with salt.
Wait, Kevin, I'll give him a task. You wash hands?
Yeah.
Let me see your hands. So nasty. Go ahead. Cut one more.
It's too small.
Just cut it in half, bruh. Okay. Very good. All right, Catalina. You
Last year we cooked pesto. We did
are going to take these, right? You're going to cut them this way. You're going to make them into fours.
We did spinach wraps.
Okay, let's not cut our fingers off, please, because we need the fingers.
Kobe's waiting.
What is Kobe waiting for?
For someone to drop food.
This is how we cut in this house.
Bruh.
What are you doing, bro? Get off my chocolate, bro. I want you to cut your nails. I'm not playing with you. All right, good job. All right, let's hear it. Let's hear it for Catalina and her cutting skills. All right, now we're going to come back over here. We're going to bring our tomatoes. We're going to spread them out. One over here, one over there.
They're not tomatoes.
One over here, one over there.
They're not tomatoes. They're tomatoes.
They're tomatoes. Whatever language that is. Put some over here, some over there, some over here. This guy can go over there. And I'll scrape off some seedlings. And we will wash this in a moment. We'll put this over here, like so.
Yeah, we're going to have an entire tomato tree grow on that.
What? What language are you speaking now?
You said that we're going to put seedlings on there, so we're going to grow a tomato tree.
Oh yeah, we're going to grow a tomato tree. We're growing a tomato tree, people. It's our new live tomato tree growing while we make pizza. So we're going to take some more mozzarella. And we're going to put that on here, like so. And a little more. We'll just try to actually put some on this one. This poor guy is like, you know, dying for his mozzarella fill. Ah! My God! Ah! God, dude! Ah! Sorry. Cruzy decided to drop something on my toe. Because he thinks he's funny.
I'm trying to pick it up without using my hands.
Yeah, well, that's not really working out for you, is it? So, we're going to take some Genoa salami, and we're going to put it on this guy. So, we're going to put a little bit of salami on this guy. So, it won't be completely meatless Monday. It'll be some meat, some meatless. I'm going to try to be good and go with the meatless, but I do love salami. And I thought about getting pepperoni earlier. I thought about it, but I wasn't making enough pizza to do pepperoni. And I'm going to do my little, dude, swear to God, if it hits me in the toe again. This little corner,
Just plastic.
I'm going to put some more jalapeno. So I can have my jalapeno corner. Kelly, I don't know what you're doing, but I don't like it. What are you doing? You having the last tiramisu? Tiramisu dessert from Costco? You know, we buy these because I love tiramisu, and guess how many I've had? 0! Oh, look, you're going to share a bite with me. She's so... Oh, too bad they didn't see that. Here. Show the people how kind you are to me. Do it again. Do it again. Look, she's going to share a bite with me. She thinks she's so funny, isn't she? All right, hold on. We got to go
Yo,
back.
what's up, Trevor? Thanks for liking the live.
Oh, Trevor's here. Hey, Trevor. We're going back over here
Daddy.
so we can look at Kalina.
Why are you eating with a fork?
Because your mama's fat. Daddy.
Hold on. Hold on, look. Really? There isn't anything there? Did you pick it up off the ground? Is that why you didn't give it to me? I don't trust you. Alright, so with that being said, that being done, I'm going to take a little bit more mozzarella. We're going to put it on top of this guy. This guy can a little more. Bruh. We're going to put some on this guy over here. And as you can see, I've been baking the oven at 375. We're going to, I think we put enough stuff on. We're good to go. We're only making 2. Sometimes I'll get 2 focaccias, so I have 4 halves, and I'll do more stuff, but you can't just, it's focaccia bread, so you can't get all crazy and put too much stuff on the bread. So you just got to pick a few toppings and go with it. And this has been our set topping the last few weeks. I know you guys are probably getting bored of it. I'm sorry, but it's just, you know, it's basic and it's easy for me. And, some, you know, being a single parent, always trying to cook and make something for me and the kids, this is a lot easier for me. And, you know, I appreciate you all watching Cooking with the Kids. It's a great show, isn't it? Weekly reminder of, you know, why just got the number. Oh, someone else. Hey, Rush, what's up, bro? Or broette? I'm not really sure, Rush, who you are, but I just want to say thank you. Look, and now I'm getting hugs. Look. All right, so can we back off so I can open the oven, please? All right, so 375. Opening the oven. Putting this guy in here. We'll put it in for 25 minutes. We'll be back in 26 minutes. If you're around, check us out. If not, we get it. Again, thank you very much. We appreciate you being here. Thanks for your likes. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your follows. For those of you who haven't liked and supported, please do so now. And there'll be a replay on this later, which will be here on TikTok, but also on my YouTube channel, which is Dude Bro Bruh 71. At Dude Bro Bruh 71. And we'll be back. I'm out. Peace. ABC ya.